Hello everybody, I'm Carl. Welcome to the Experience Webmaster YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to run something as good as ChatGPT on your local machine for free. Stay tuned. The tool that I'm going to show you today is called GPT4All and it's free to use. You can run it locally. It's privacy aware chatbot that you can run on just CPU, no GPU required, and actually it can run on most of the processors that have AVX and AVX2. I think that the last version dropped the support for AVX, so be sure that you have an AVX2 instructions and it will run. It's pretty fast chatbot with quite nice capabilities and a variety of different language models. Actually, here is the official website. Free to use, locally running, privacy aware chatbot, not GPU or internet required. Here are the installation. It's available for Windows, Mac OS or Ubuntu. The installation is straightforward, so I'm not going to create a tutorial about this. The capabilities are absolutely amazing. It can answer a question like every chatbot, can be a personal writing assistant. I think this is the biggest power of it, to be honest. Can understand the documents, and I'm gonna demonstrate this one after a few minutes. And of course, it can write code, and the code is reasonably good. For some basics like CSS and HTML5, it can produce a very nice result. Okay, so let's get here. I'm using currently the Snoozy model. Actually, I'm gonna show you that you can download so many different models. Wizard is quite good, though you cannot use it commercially. Falcon GPT is something new and it's available for commercial use, so you can do it wherever you want in it. You can also connect the API keys with ChatGPT 3.5 and GPT4, but again, the request might not go through and you stay under empty prompt. I'm not gonna recommend using it with ChatGPT4 or 3.5. New York is one of my favorite small models. Actually, the small one, it's also licensed for commercial use and probably is one of the fastest right here in this library. So let's try something. Let's try the Snoozy and let's check if you understand the following document. Of course, you need to include the path to the document. And this document is a blog article which is called The Evolution of SEO that I wrote recently, but let's see what kind of output that you're gonna come up. Of course, you look in real time. It's a little bit slower than Google Bard, ChatGPT or Bing AI, but as you see, the output is already coming and it's all quite accurate. It says, this document appeared to be an outline for a presentation of the evolution of search engine optimization. It includes topics such as keywords research, content creation and optimization, link building, social media marketing, mobile, and so on and so on. So the understanding of the document, understanding is not really an understanding, is quite good, and it will be able to summarize a document for you in a matter of minutes. It's amazing ability. Of course, there is a limit of the input and output, so keep in mind if you need to create a small bite-sized documents and actually feed it and get an understanding of those documents. Perhaps let's try my favorite one, the New York small algorithm. I'll just ask it to write some code for me. Let's see what comes to mind. Okay, maybe an email signature. Can you prepare an HTML code for email signature?
That includes a logo on the top left hand, my name on the right hand, under the name my company position, below everything a phone number and email address.
Let's see the output. this is one of the things that are quite difficult they are not really quite difficult, they're time consuming because you need to put in line CSSs. Clients doesn't support CSS the style sheets. Actually, this didn't do a really good job, but at least the diffs and the paragraphs are in place. Of course, you can improve this one with a few other tweaks. It's quite good for the CSS writing. Actually, since I got this one, I haven't wrote a single line of CSS by myself. I wouldn't recommend using it for SEO purposes and creating content for SEO strategy. That's not a good idea. I wrote an article about this a couple of days ago. I can share the link in the description, as well as from where to get the GPT4All and how to install it. One good way to use this one is if you want to create cover letters, if you want to write the quick emails, quick introduction, maybe some content for newsletter, and so on and so on. But it's amazing if you get it for free and if you can run it offline. Let me know what you think in the comment section of this video. Probably in the next videos I'll show you how to use GPT4All as voice assistants. I'll create a tutorial of how to install the libraries and dependencies necessary to do that. Until the next time, stay classy.